Hello guys, in this topic I am going to tell you about fashion designing, what is fashion designing, how to become a fashion designer and what is the salary of fashion designer. So, fashion designing is a creative field. Creative person can become a fashion designer. A person who have a talent of drawing and he thinks creative to make something new, something different, and he always try to make something extraordinary. That person can be a fashion designer. If you have that all things which I tell, then you can become a fashion designer. So the next topic is how to become a fashion designer. There are three ways to become a successful fashion designer. Number one, go to college and take a degree. You can take any degree. You want to take diploma, bachelor and master, but no one college degree make you a successful fashion designer. Number two, start your own business. Number three, become a freelancer and do project by a particular company. So the last topic is what is the salary of fashion designer. So when I search on Google in India, fashion designer salary is go to 1 lakh rupees, and in European country the salary of top fashion designer is $120,000 in 1 year. And my last request is please guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.